Welcome to another video on COVID-19 series by Tutor Micro. You must have seen our thumbnail. If you saw it right, that Feluda joins Corona 5. All of you must have heard of the fictional character Feluda, created by the great filmmaker and writer Satyajit Ray. Watch this video till the end to know about the mystery and subscribe to our channel to be the part of the Tutor Micro family. Feluda of my story is the great invention by these two Indian scientists, Dr. Devajyoti Chakravarti and Dr. Saufik Maiti, who are presently associated with CSIR IGIB at New Delhi, India. They have developed a COVID-19 detection kit named as Feluda, and according to them, it was a sudden incident. They were working on the development of diagnostics for sickle cell anemia past 2 years. But when they came to know about the novel coronavirus outbreak, they shifted their focus towards COVID-19 detection. Feluda is the acronym for FN-Cas9 editor linked uniform detection assay. I will introduce briefly about the CRISPR-Cas9 in a while. Before that, earlier, two techniques known as Sherlock and detector was based on the similar CRISPR-Cas9 system, but the reaction chemistry and biology is completely different. The scientists thought of calling it by indigenous detective name, and it is admired by a lot of people, which led to the naming of this invention as Feluda. So let's see how Feluda finds the corona positive cases. So before going to before going to know about the Feluda's work, let's prepare the case for him. That is the sample preparation here. The first thing we need to do is the collection of oral or nasopharyngeal swab from which we can extract the viral RNA. After that, there will be a two-step process collectively known as reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction or RT-PCR, where the first step will be the synthesis of complementary DNA of the template viral RNA by the process of reverse transcription. And these complementary DNA is the sample for Feluda's work. Since the copy number or amount of this DNA is very less for the detection, we need to increase the copy number of this complementary DNA by conventional polymerase chain reaction. The end product of this RT-PCR will be the final sample for Feluda's work. I hope you understood the sample preparation part and the every step of the sample preparation. Now let's watch how Feluda works. Before going to that, as I told you that I will briefly introduce you with the CRISPR-Cas9. Cas9 is a bacterial protein which is used in their defense system by which they try to protect themselves from getting attacked by viruses. It has the ability to recognize viral nucleic acid and binding to them for their destruction. So how CRISPR-Cas9 is designed here? So CRISPR-Cas9 is designed in such a way that they can recognize COVID-19 specific sequences in samples. So if you apply this CRISPR-Cas9 specific to COVID-19 to the sample or cDNA samples from the reverse transcription PCR product, if the DNA has the viral nucleic acid sequence, this CRISPR-Cas9 will bind to the DNA forming DNA protein complex. After formation of this complex together, the mixture will be added on the paper strip chemistry where two different lines may appear. The first line is the control line which indicates the proper functioning of the kit, and it will appear in both positive and negative cases. And the second line is the test line which appears only if the CRISPR was able to identify the COVID sequence in the DNA. If the test line does not appear, that indicates that the patient or suspect is COVID negative. So look how simply Feluda works. But you might have arguments that there is already kits available in the market which are being used, then why we need Feluda? Coming to that, if you think about the cost, the conventional test kits which are available in the market who follows the real-time PCR technique for the detection cost you around 4.5 thousand to 5,000 Indian rupees per test. But Feluda will charge you around 500 or 600 rupees in Indian currency. See, it is around 8 to 10 times cheaper. The next thing is the speed of the test. The conventional test kits require a longer time to give you results, more than 7-8 hours. But Feluda will give you the result within an hour. The next crucial thing is the accuracy or the sensitivity of this test. If you consider the case that, for example, that a patient or a person who is really COVID positive, but after testing, if the test gives him a false negative result, then the person will roam around and spread the disease among the population, and that is very dangerous. And the vice versa is also problematic. Consider a person who is really corona negative or COVID-19 negative, and the test give you a false positive result, then that will be a stressful situation for that victim as well as his family. Okay, so the scientists are claiming that Feluda will work efficiently as the detective Feluda does. Okay, so still the scientists are testing more number of samples to strengthen their statement about the sensitivity or accuracy of this test kit. Another thing is that Feluda does not require any sophisticated, expensive instrument like real-time PCR machine, which requires another expert personnel to handle this machine during the PCR reaction as well as analyzing the result. Another kit is available in the market, which is basically the antibody based rapid test kit, but those kits are now in front of many questions regarding their quality. So you have to admit the fact that Feluda will be an efficient alternative for the diagnostics of COVID-19 in this situation in a more economic and specific way, right? Feluda works quite similar to the regular pregnancy test kit, but the difference is that you can use the pregnancy test kit at your home, but you cannot use Feluda at your home. For the detection of COVID-19 using the Feluda test kit, we require a basic lab setup or basic pathology lab or expert personnel, but we don't need any hi-fi lab like level 3 4 lab. Okay, so the requirements are very less for the Feluda. Now the small setup at CSIR IGIB lab, they cannot manufacture a large number of test kits in a short time, right? So CSIR IGIB and Tata Sons have signed a MOU for to carry forward the manufacturing part and launch at the market. We expect this kit to be launched at the market very soon at around the end of this month, that is the May 2020. I request all of you especially those persons who are directly or indirectly not linked to the medical field or the biological research field, please don't be restless for the vaccine development. It really takes long time because only the preparation of vaccine is not the end of the story. We need to go for several clinical trials and standardize the doses. It takes a really long time. To wipe out a disease from a population, a cure is must needed, but we should wait. In this situation, we have to think about the prevention than the cure. As we always know, that prevention is better than cure. In this scenario, this Feluda definitely will help the health workers to detect the COVID-19 positive cases by more testing. Okay. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications for our upcoming videos. Please write to us at the comment section about your suggestion. And if you like the video, please hit the like icon and share the video among your friends. Thank you. Stay connected with Tutor Mind.